This Saturday we have a demo lecture for the CAT exam. So in case you want to attend my workshop, you can attend that this Saturday. Please call the number here. Or Monday we are launching a new program. So in case you want to join the complete program or you want to go for only books mock shortcut, just call the numbers here. Should I select college on the basis of location? Alright, let me give a simple example. SIS college is next to me, just next building, around 500 meters from here. We have SIS college, which is a very good college. Average salary I think around 8 lakhs. But when compared with IIM Ahmedabad, of course, I would recommend IIM Ahmedabad. Unless कि यार कहाँ तुम अहमदाबाद जाओगे, you got to take a flight or you take a train to reach Ahmedabad. इधर घर के सामने, ठीक है. मम्मी भी बोलेगी बेटा कहाँ जाएगा, तो यहाँ बेटी कहाँ जाएगी. Fine. So location matter, yes, does matter, but not when you're comparing IIM Ahmedabad with SIS. Okay, that was a simple example just to explain the value of location. Fine. I've just recommended one student. He have converted Dalmia College, Mumbai and IFMR Chennai. Dalmia, IFMR are almost same rank. SIS, Dalmia, fine. All of them are same rank. Now, what to choose between them? Of course, where you live. That's the first question I ask them. If you're comparing the same level colleges, a Delhi ka student want to go to TAPMI or Goa Institute of Management, bhai koi bhi le le. For both of them, you have to travel. But from Delhi, Goa ka flights are there, direct flights are there. Okay. See, unless you are hell bent कि मेरे को TAPMI जाना because of ROI, TAPMI का ROI is slightly better, then of course go for TAPMI. But otherwise, location does matter. Fine. Not for the party island. कि Goa is a party island, तो चलो party island. It's like you have converted IIM Calcutta and Goa Institute of Management, and you're selecting Goa because of party. अरे सर आपने कहा था location matter, crowd matter. तो मैंने ले लिया वो. Of course, stupidity then. Fine, no one really does that. I'm just adding some humor into the video. Otherwise, simple thing. Location matter when you're comparing apple with apples. Okay. Now, MDI, IIT Delhi, which are all same level colleges. Narsi Monji, SIBM, they're all same level colleges. In that case, where you live does matter. A Mumbai student, I would recommend him going to SIBM or Narsi Monji, then going to Delhi based college which have the same salary. Are you getting point? Why? Because location, Ana, Jana. Imagine yaar, if you're going to Bangalore, if you take any college in Bangalore, flights, Ana, Jana, plus Bangalore, most of the places in Bangalore are around 1500 rupees by cab, Ola cab, because airport is quite outside the city center. So you have to pay around, I paid 2200 rupees for the Ola cab one way. 2200 is the maximum I've paid. Okay. Due to the peak time also and all these things. Otherwise 1500, 1700, 1800 normally hota hai. So 2000 jana, 2000 ana, 4000 for the cab, another 6, 8000, 10,000 for the flight. So every time you are going to pay 15, 20,000 whenever you want to go home. Okay, are you getting me? For a Mumbai student going to Bangalore, yeah, going to IIM Bangalore makes sense, but going to a Chota Mota college in Bangalore, rather than going that, pick up a college in Mumbai or Pune. Are you getting my point? So, ctking.com/top, any of the top 3 colleges, ABC, I won't mind or I won't be surprised that you have taken IIM Bangalore because you're from South. You have taken IIM Calcutta because you're from East. You have taken IIM Ahmedabad because you're from Mumbai or Delhi. I won't be surprised because location is important. You're going to travel 2 days, 2 years of your life. And if you are going to, see, when you are going to go home, normally on festivals and on college holidays, exam after exams. After exam, if you're going the off-peak time of the year, no problem. But if you're going on Diwali, Holi, Amritsar ka flight tickets is available for 5,000 on an average. When I go to Amritsar, non-stop flight Mumbai Amritsar is 5,000 rupees. On Diwali time, flight is 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. I have even paid 11,000 for the flight, double. Are you getting me? If you are traveling on the peak hour, peak time of the year, Diwali, Holi, New Year, you have to pay double. So it will add up to the cost. Suppose you're going 2 to 3 times home, and if you're homesick, you want to travel 4 times a year. तुम गए बेटा, तुम्हारा 2-1.5 लाख तो इतनी खर्चा आ जाएगा extra on and above your college fees and everything else. So location does matter. Now come the second point: is there a direct flight to the place? Now these are all very secondary things. Yeah, very few people get a chance to choose between A and B. Okay, most of the student will get one college. कि बाबा जी थैंक यू, एक ही कन्वर्ट हुआ है, चुपचाप जाके ज्वाइन कर ले, ज़्यादा है नहीं कंपेरिजन में. ओके, बट येस देर आर फ्यू lucky people, very lucky people, very smart people who have converted few colleges. I've converted Wellinger, SIS, Dalmia. What to choose? Then depend upon where you live. Okay, a simple example, SIS versus Dalmia, both of them are same brand. Yeah, SIS is in Navi Mumbai, Dalmia is in Mira Road. They are like poles apart. It's like Delhi mein if I compare, one is in Gurgaon and one is in Noida. Noida meaning greater Noida. So traveling from Gurgaon to Noida, tum gaye beta. So what I joke normally around, there is a bus number 505, air conditioned bus 505, which starts from Noida, in this case Mira Road, Borivali station to Navi Mumbai. Fine, 505, 555, दोनों में से एक नंबर बस है. Anyone from Belapur or Borivali, they can confirm. The air conditioned bus, 2.5 hours going one way, 2.5 hours coming back in peak hours, because college is going to start at your office time and evening में to travel back. So what I recommend, अपना toothbrush, सब कुछ lunch वंच सब साथ लेके आना. On the way you can complete your assignments, you can do your brushing, everything. And while going back सब्जियां लेके जाना, रास्ते में सब्जियां काट के, मम्मी विल बी हैप्पी कि मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी देखो सब्जियां काट के लाया. 2.5 घंटे क्या करेगा, और यू कांट बी ऑन द फोन ऑल द टाइम. So in that case, either you shift to that place, yeah, which will add to the cost, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 per month, hostel and all if you are localite, or choose the college which is near your home. Apple with Apple. Of course, Dalmia with IIM, I'll choose IIM without any stupidity. If you be stupid to join this college, I've seen that. Yeah, there are some marketing video students forward me. Like there's a college from very Champu college. He will come on camera and say, I left IIM because this Champu college gave me a very good profile, very good opportunities. I left this college because मेरे घर के पास था, पहले मैं बहुत गरीब था, फिर ये चंपू कॉलेज ज्वाइन करके देखो मैं और चंपू हो गया. Anyway, jokes apart, वो तो बेचेगा ना, उसको तो बेचना है. He will obviously say my product is good because you are watching their video. Alright, so you decide that. Fine, of course the placement is number one. Choosing the college based on placement is the best decision. Ranking of the college and the placement. Fine, then come your academics, your college ka location, college ka faculty, professor, all these things are there. Everything is important, but location is one important factor which you have to look at the practical point of view. Are you getting a point? Fine. So that will come into picture. For example, I chose NIT Nagpur. For my engineering, I was getting into NIT Jalandhar, my Punjab NIT. But Punjab NIT, I was getting a very low ranked, low streamed college, low streamed profile. Like I was getting, I think mining, civil engineering, all these things. In Nagpur, I was getting almost all the branches. So I chose that because branch was important for engineering. That is important. When it comes to MBA, your main thing is placement. Placement is common for everything. Marketing earn ज़्यादा करता है, finance ज़्यादा करता है, is almost same. So don't go by that. ठीक है? All the best.